Hi everyone, it's a gorgeous sunny day today, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour of where we are with our extension. I'm upstairs, it's nice to have an upstairs. So we have our stairs come up into this corner here. Down there is the kitchen and the living room and the big open plan space I'll show you in a moment. We then have a landing that goes around here, and this is the hallway that goes down the centre of the house. Mirrors the hallway downstairs actually, so at that end, that's where the front door is, just there, downstairs. We've got two new front windows, so that's going to be our boys' bedrooms, either side. We have another study that's going here, and I'm currently standing in what will be the bathroom. Over here is the master suite for me and the missus, with an ensuite bathroom that will go this side. You can see that the joists are all in place. Most of the walls are in place, and they've built the central internal walls because the roof will start being formed next week. We're having a roof built on site rather than having pre-built trusses brought in, primarily because we wouldn't get them in because of how the roof looks, the cover on the roof at the minute. So I'm just going to take you downstairs and you can see downstairs. And here we are downstairs. So you can see my stairs going up there. As I say, it's very sunny, so they might not look very good at the minute because they're quite bright. So let me show you here. This was the original living room of the house that became the dining room and was latterly our bedroom because we didn't have enough bedrooms. This has all been opened up, and you can see the first of the steels here. We had a goalpost steel that needed to be put in, so a column steel there, one that goes across there, and another column steel in the corner here. If I take you back here, you can see stairs going up there. We're going to have a second entrance door here, which will take us out to the driveway. And then you can see that's my kitchen, kind of lovingly protected. More steels, and then a larger steel that actually goes across what was a wall between our living room and kitchen. In there is what my wife lovingly calls our panic room. That's what is our living room. We're not using it at the minute because it's still covered in dust. However much you cover things up, they still get dusty. All of our sofa and furniture and TV and stuff is still in there. That's where we are at the minute. So can't wait for it all to be finished. And actually it's going a lot faster than we thought it would be. We'll be in here for Christmas. There might be some decorating left to do upstairs. But actually it's... can't wait, really can't wait for it to be finished and move back in. We are actually still living here. We're living here the other side of that door, so that's rather fun. It's a bit like caravanning. Anyway, we'll give you another update soon as things progress. Thanks.